Welcome back to Learning Football with Santosh Kashyap, former Indian footballer, Mahindra United player, and FIFA and AFC instructor. Previously, we continued with dribbling techniques and introduced 1v1 with opponents. Remember to watch that, in case you haven't.
Hi guys, this is Santosh Kashyap. Welcome back to another episode of Learning Football with me. So now we'll go and practice on controlling the ball in the air. It's also controlling is very important on high balls. So how can we get confidence to do more juggling and get the feel of the ball, and then in 1v1 situation. So we'll progress in the session. Come on guys, so start juggling with the ball. Yeah, so we'll see who's the best juggler here. Try to make 100 first. Yes, good. Concentrate on the ball and keep juggling. Yes, very nice. Okay, keep doing. Very nice. So as you can see, it's very important that juggling the feel of the ball. So as you can do many juggling, you will get more confident with the ball. So that's very important part to become a better player. Okay guys, move to thighs. Control with the thighs. Yes, very nice. Yep. Yes. Control with the thighs. Okay, very nice. Now you can use feet and thighs both. Very nice. Okay, go with head now. Go with head. Control. Heading, yes. Yes, very nice. Good. Very good. So as they get the feel of the ball, it's very important. Now we'll go for play the ball high and cushioning the ball, control the ball in the air, and then progress accordingly. Okay guys, so now you have to juggle 1, 2 and then play the ball in the air and try to control and start juggling again. Okay, come on. Yes, very good Darren. Yes. Oh, thinking got far away. Yes, very good. And start controlling again. After start control the ball, pushing the ball and start controlling again. No, not sideways, yeah. Yep. Yes, stop. So guys, what I want from you, so you can keep juggling and play the ball in the air and start control the ball. 1. And then again try to control the ball and play. Again juggling. Okay? So you will be more confident and get the touch is very important. Yes, very nice. Darren, very nice. Yes. So now controlling the ball in the air with the step. Now we'll progress to thigh. They should control the ball with the thigh. Okay guys, same way, try to control the ball with the thighs and again juggling. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Then control with the thighs. And start juggling again. Yes, you try. Yeah, very nice. Very good, Bhavish. Well done. So now we'll progress to chest. Now they should control the ball with the chest and again do juggling. Okay guys, now control the ball with the chest and start juggle. So 1, 2, 3, play the ball up. So play little higher. Let's play little higher. So you get the chance to control the ball with the chest. Excellent. Very nice. Wow. Very good. Today. Okay. Well done. Fast learner. Okay. So they are doing fantastic, future players. So now we'll progress to heading. Now control with the head. So guys, same way. Now control with the head, put, and start juggling. Put, control with the head. Yes. Oh, very good there. Very nice. Good, Samuel. Yeah, very nice. And start juggling again. So you will master of this skill. If you can do it, you will become better player, more confident. Very nice. So you can see, we start with simple juggling and then move to thighs and head, all body parts we become familiar and comfortable, and then we'll progress to play the ball high and cushioning the ball, controlling. So as you do more this, you will become more confident with the ball, and football is all about playing with the ball. If you're comfortable with the ball and control the ball, definitely you're a better player and do whatever you want with the ball. So now this is the first part. Now we'll progress to second part, how we can move and beat the defenders in 1v1 situation, in air the ball, control the ball in the air. So thank you very much. Okay guys, now we are the final part of controlling the ball in the air. So let's begin. Okay Dada. Yes. Okay. Good. Good. Yes, well done. Very nice. Very nice. Come second defender, Joel. Good. Yes, yeah. So see that, you can see that he has controlled the ball and playing towards the defender. He should go away from him. So what happened? Now he control and you control the ball and move in front of him. But what you have to do, you have to go away from defender. So play. So you control the ball and move away from defender and try to score from here. Understand? Don't go close to him, otherwise you win the ball. So this is very important part of controlling the ball in there. So we have not to reach it in the same place. We have to go away from the defender so he has no chance to win the ball, and then we can finish. Play. Yeah, that's better. No problem. No problem. Good. Yes. Okay. Finish. Give little high ball. Yes, that's better. No, stop. See. See again he did the same mistake. Have you seen the same mistake? Ball to them. So in one touch only you have to move away from the defender. So like what he did, he controlled the ball and he controlled here. He has a chance to win the ball. But if you move, no chance for him. Away from him, in one touch only you should move. Yes. Okay, good. So now they have instead sideways they did. Now they should try to do with the thighs, with the chest, and beat the defender. So give him little high ball. Yes. Yes. Good. Good. Excellent. Very nice. So you can see that after controlling the ball, you have to accelerate. If you remain here, it's become a part of dribbling. Once you control the ball in the air, you have to speed your skill and with the speed and acceleration to beat that. If you go slow, you cannot beat the defender and score goals. Understand? So after controlling the ball, accelerate. Use your speed. Come. Yeah. Yes. Yeah, that's better. Yeah, that's better. Fantastic. Well done. Very nice. So you can see that Once you do perfect controlling with the ball and then accelerate, you have more chances to score goals. So this is all about controlling the ball in the air and how can you become better player. So keep practicing individually and as a player, and with the teammates, it will make you better player, and you definitely can achieve more goals and score more goals. So this is all about controlling in the air, guys. So thank you very much for watching this video. Hope you are learning and enjoying. So keep practicing. So please like and share this video and subscribe to this channel. We'll see you in another episode. Santosh Kashyap, learning soccer with me. Thank you for now. Thank you very much.